Here's a quick guide on how to safely and easily turn on your gas fireplace. First, locate the gas fireplace controls. They are typically situated on the bottom front of the fireplace, near the pilot light. Turn the control knob to the off position. It should be in the off position when you're not using the fireplace. Next, turn the control knob to the pilot position and press it in. While holding it in, press the ignition button repeatedly until the pilot flame lights up. Great! Once the pilot flame is lit, continue holding the control knob for about 30 seconds to allow the thermocouple to heat up. Finally, turn the control knob to the on position to activate the main burner. And there you have it, a warm and inviting gas fireplace. Remember, always follow the manufacturer's instructions and ensure proper ventilation for your safety. Enjoy your cozy fireside moments. Stay warm and stay safe.